Here we go, another winter storm, winter wonderland. Gotta help a buddy of mine though, filming a movie in Traverse City. Almost 1 o'clock, 12:55. You think I care about the snow with my four-wheel drive? All-wheel drive Chevy Astro van. All these SUVs, little pussy whip cars. You think I give a shit? I'm heading out to Traverse City, man, 100 miles. I could give two shits. Those little pussy-ass BMW four-wheel drive SUV bullshit pussy whipper cars. This is a man's truck, goddammit. This is a vehicle that gets you someplace. They quit making these, I can see why. They last forever. 168,000 miles on this baby. 168,000. Just breaking in. I just pull out like it ain't shit. It ain't shit. All-wheel drive, kicking ass. I've passed snow trucks in this. Nothing scares me in my all-wheel drive. Look at all this shit. You think I care? Don't leave the house like a little pussy. When I got my Astro van and all-wheel drive, nothing gets in my way. Not even common sense. As I truck on to Traverse City, going to get some chicken soup first, in case some idiot in a pussy whip SUV broadsides me. I gotta wait for a wrecker. Other than that, I'm on my way. Party on.